Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new number 10. I have 10 fingers. They help me to touch. I can write the number 10. Look at the picture. How many glasses of juice are there on the table? Let's count the beads on the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. 10 glasses. Now think and tell, how many fingers do you have in both hands? Can you count the glasses on the table? Thank you. See you in the next lesson.